as you do double under, like that. Okay, as you double under crisscross. Hey, what's up guys, it's Chaudhary Abdul Akil. Welcome back to my channel. As I told you before, now I'm learning how to exit any move like double under crisscross, or simple crisscross, basic bound, or in any move in skipping. If you want to exit move, it look very sexy when you exit any move. So do not waste further any more time. Let's get jump into the video. So first of all, mm, you know if you want to exit any move, like today we start from from the double unders. Okay, like that. Okay, in that the trick is that if you are a right hand dominant person, so you know the dominant hand should always remain on the top. Okay, the trick in that, when you doing any kind of move like crisscross, basic bound, when the rope is passed from your basic bounds or any crisscross or any southpaw, when when the rope is passed, like that, and when the rope in that position in front of your head, so you can direct switch your hand from you know from the side swing. The dominant hand should remain on top, like that, as you do normally for the side swing. When the rope in coming here in that position, so you can direct switch like that. Okay, okay? Like keep your arms closed and elbows back. Okay, like that. If you do like basic bounce. Okay, okay, basic bounce like that. Okay, the rope is coming, like I exit that move with very nicely and smoothly. It look very good, and you can also enjoy the skipping. Yeah, skipping is very great exercise for for also fun. So you can when you are doing like basic bounce, and you can exit like that. Look at that. Okay, keep your hand on light in skipping, thumb towards the rope. Okay, and you do like basic bounce, and then you exit like as you normally do the side swing. Okay, as you do like boxer steps. Okay, you can exit move. If you are left-handed, okay, so you can exit from the. Okay, left hand should be placed on upward. Okay, and try to relax your body, and elbow should be placed backward and close to your body, not tight too much. Okay, as you do like run crisscross, run man, like you can exit like that, and you can also also remain on that position like in run man, and you can also like. Okay, then you can okay, look at that, how am I exiting. You are doing like run man, and go to direct side swing. When you sense that the rope is coming in front of your head, you can direct direct switch to the side swing. Yeah, okay, I show you again, like that, and you can also switch like as you do side swing, as you do double under, like that. Okay, as you double under crisscross. Sorry, it's a little bit difficult, but practice matters, like that. Okay, so that's for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do so. It motivate me to upload, and to come on the camera, do speak with you guys. So yeah, So join, and you know, so I have a beautiful quote for today. If you wanna give up, you can give up. This is your choice. Your time's gonna come, but you cannot give up. See you in the next video. God bless.
Fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the other